So let me first of all be straight up front and honest. I didn't feel like taking this head wrap off and putting a wig on, and I didn't feel like changing clothes because your girl is hot. It's starting to get warmer, and with these lights blazing, and I'm trying not to put a fan on so you guys can hear me throughout this video, so just deal with this. I still think I look cute. I would actually wear this out if I needed to, but that's not what this video is about. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. Kamisha requested that I do the DOCOLOR space palette and use the space palette alone. I did mention these palettes before in my 4-in-1 video. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will go ahead and link that up above. Please go check it out. It took me 6 to 7 hours to record that video, so I appreciate it if you guys go check it out. It's only like 12 minutes, so to numb down 7 hours of footage in 12 minutes, come on, you guys gotta just go check it out. But anyway, she requested that I use the space palette, which is the all blue palette, which I told her I would do. Blue is my absolute favorite color, so I have no problem doing a blue look whatsoever. My eye has been really irritating me lately, so I didn't want to use the pressed glitter in this video, but I will try to get the pressed glitters from this palette as well as some of the other palettes and some looks sooner or later. I just have been very careful with my eyes lately, but I still did use the shimmers, which came out very beautiful. As you guys can tell, none of these shimmers are wet. They are as they are, and they're very pigmented, and I absolutely love it. And I will show you guys swatches as well, and then you guys can go ahead and see how I created this look. All right, so first I'm going to start off with my Makeup Revolution Beauty. They changed their name, I really don't care. Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. I'm just going to use that to prime my lids because it works best. So first shade I'm going to start off with is going to be this deep blue shade. This is on the right hand side in the bottom corner. And I'm just going to stamp that in. I'm just taking a blending brush, nothing on it. I'm just taking it and making sure that's like not too harsh. I'm gonna take another blending brush, which is from my, what is this called? The Starlight Goddess brush collection. Just gonna take this blue, which is in the bottom left corner. I'm just gonna take that blue up by my brow bone. Diffusing that blue even more. Gonna take a little bit of this blue, which is the top center, just right here. Just gonna go back to that first blue. Intensify if you want. You don't have to do this step. It's all about how much you want to build up. You don't have to build up as much as I do, and you don't have to use the shades that I use, but at least you guys can get a nice sense of what these shades and this palette can do, especially on this woman of my complexion. I'm just saying, sometimes shades like this wouldn't pop up, you know, but as you guys can tell, I didn't take that much product. But also make sure you have a good concealer or a good base or a good primer that's gonna like help the shadow stick. That helps as well. We are going to cut the crease. We're not again, but we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm still taking my Conceal and Define concealer. As you guys know, I have a hooded eye, so I am taking it up a little bit higher than what normal people would. There was nothing on my finger. I just want to blend out that edge. Then I'm gonna take another brush, go back to this blue that we used before. Let's take this shade. We're gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go back to my first shade. Oh, I might have messed that up. These two shades. So that's what we're working with so far. Per usual, I'm gonna go ahead, finish this eye off camera, do my base off camera as well, and then we're gonna come back, do the inner corner. Alright, so this is the overall and finished look. I hope that Kamisha, the subbie that requested this look, is very pleased with this look. I tried to use as many of the shades as possible. I used all but these two. So I did pretty good, in my opinion. I think I did pretty good. So this one is on the inner part of my lower lash line, and then of course this is on the outer portion. And this is on the inner corner. Hopefully you guys saw that. It probably was hard because I was looking over here at my mirror. I don't know why lately I've been taking my eyeshadow all the way up to my brow bone. Like, I don't know what's up with me, but I've just been doing that lately. If you guys want to see any more of the palettes I use separately, please let me know.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
That's all I have to say for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as well as give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for getting me over 100 subscribers. I am really thankful to you guys. Thank you guys for all the love in my past videos. I really appreciate that. Like, I really just been feeling the love and the vibes lately. So I really do appreciate all the love, all the vibes. And if you guys have any requests, I do try to get to the requests as quick as I possibly can. I know my little sister requested a video, I got to that. And of course I'm doing this video due to requests, and I got to that. And the 4 looks in one video were also requests, and I got to those. So I do try to give my subbies what they want and what they ask for. So like I said, if you go ahead, join the fam if you want to, go ahead, subscribe. And then if you have any requests, any colors, any palettes, any looks, any foundation, whatever, if you guys have any suggestions, even wig videos, please go ahead and comment that down below. But I will catch you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Stay safe. Peace. Have to give a huge shout out to my internet big sis, Makeup by Tammy, aka Tammy Clark, aka such an inspiration to me. Like, I support her so much. And matter of fact, she actually commented on my post, because I reposted it, because y'all know I really love her. Like, I stand for her, and she commented on my post and was like, you really support me so much and I appreciate all the love and stuff. And I was like, she commented on my post. So like, I really stand for her to the utmost, and I'm super excited and I cannot wait. Her collection releases June 12th. If you can, get your hands on it. If you are in the US, it is going to take an additional 2 to 3 weeks as of right now. And today is June 8th. So as of right now, it could take 2 to 3 weeks once it launches for us to get it in the US. But if you're in the UK, you can get it on Revolution Beauty as well as boots.com if I'm not mistaken. But I'm pretty sure you can figure out all the information on their page. I don't want to be saying anything like I'm official, because I'm not, and I'm not sponsored by them. So I don't, I ain't trying to boost them up too much. I was trying to boost up my girl, Makeup by Tammy, because I'm super excited. Congrats, big sis. You doing big things. 2020 has been a terrible year, but for this to come out, I'm so happy. So happy. Yes, sis, yes.